It's Monday of Holy Week, and we got a treat for the guys. So that means the guys will work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and they will work half day on Holy Thursday, and then they will, we're going to have to make our payroll a little bit early on Thursday, and then they will come back to work after Easter Sunday on, they'll begin work again on Monday. So they're going to have half Thursday off, all of Friday, Saturday, and of course Easter Sunday. And this is where we are today. We are getting things cleaned up on the inside here. A lot of this scaffolding has been removed. And we are forming up new boards. Oh, and our slab looks good still down here. Yeah. Cutting some nails off over there. There's a lot of them to cut off. And you can see we're building this one. Moving along up to the 3rd level. A lot easier to walk around here than it was last time. The steel decking is interesting. I mean, conceivably, we could make that our finished ceiling, not fur down these beams, and then just paint that steel decking. All the ducting, well, there isn't ducting necessarily, but all the plumbing pipes and conduit for the electrical would be exposed, and you could paint it, which would look kind of commercial, but that's not the look I'm going for here. Right now, it's a hot part of the day. It's got to be 90 degrees. Here's a good look at the outside. Carmela, you eating my donuts?
I ate 2 pieces.
2? Oh my gosh.
Don't you know you should be happy to Carmelo, Pangga?
I'm always happy to Carmelo.
Because he's beginning to
Speak English?